Our top 5 best pellet smokers. Pellet smoker is the right solution for achieving convenient gas grilling and wood-smoked taste. Unlike other grilling methods, it doesn't need any propane gas or natural gas. All you have to do is plug it into an electric socket. Some of these appliances also come with app connectivity and control panel that let you regulate the temperature. 1 number product. Untitled CPG 4000 Grill and Smoker. Untitled is a well-known brand providing a wide range of kitchen appliances and outdoor cooking gear that includes grill and smokers as well. Their CPG 4000 has made to our list because of its amazing features and durability. This versatile appliance is suitable for grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising and barbecue. With 2-tiered cooking grate, you can grill more food. It also has a folding which is handy for resting spices, serveware and other essential tools. 2 number product. Z-Grill's Pellet Grill and Smoker. First on our list is a pellet smoker from the house of Z-Grills. The Z-Grill's ZPG 7002B 2021 is an upgraded wood pellet grill and a smoker that comes in an 8-in-1 functionality. This rotisserie has a total of 8 features embedded into a single device. 8-in-1 model that serves as a BBQ, wood fire pellet grill, smoking machine, baker, roast, braise, and more. Upgraded technology for better temperature management that will keep your meat hot to within 10 degrees of the preset temperature irrespective of the outside temperatures. 3 number product. Traeger Pellet Grill and Smoker. Next up on our list is a pellet smoker with a very large smoking, cooking area. The Traeger grills comes with an 884 square inches large cooking capacity. The Traeger TFB88 BSBO Pro Series 34 is a bronze-colored pellet grill of a heavy-duty nature. 6-in-1 mode of a smoking pellet grill. Can be used for grilling, cooking, baking, roasting, braising, BBQ and also for smoking as well. Has a total cooking space of 884 square inches. To put things in perspective, it can accommodate up to 7 racks of ribs or maybe 8 chickens or maybe about 40 burgers. 4 number product. Camp Chef Smoke Pro DLX Smoker. Camp Chef has been providing a wide range of smokers for the past 30 years. Their DLX pellet smoker has made to our list because of its features and efficiency. This smoker comes with a unique design and complete black finish which adds elegance to your outdoor area. It has come amazing features as well that include ash cleanout system which makes cleaning much easier compared to others. 5 number product. Smoke Pellet Grill and Smoker. Smoke is a trustworthy brand that aims in providing with high quality. Their grill and smoker models have excellent quality similar to premium brands. And this is the main reason why it has made a place in our list. This appliance can be used in 8 different ways that include searing, boiling, char grill, roast, braise, bake and barbecue. It has large cooking area of 700 square inches which is ideal for large families and gathering. Thanks for watching this video.